Okay, Eli, here we are in our very last part. I think this is where we left off. Let's see. Can you see? Look at those lines of light like trains with their windows all lit up. It's a school of lanternfish going by. These fish have little spots of light all along their sides. Below them is another queer-looking one, the anglerfish. It has enormous mouth with great big teeth. There is a little light on top of the rod that grows out of its head. The light attracts another fish. Slowly the light is lowered into the anglerfish's big mouth. In goes the fish, and up goes the light once more. Flash! What was that explosion of light? A big red fish hits our bathysphere. The light comes from a liquid the shrimp pours out into the water when it's frightened. It's frightened us too. Oh, there's that shrimp. Now we will ask to be lowered into the deepest part of the sea. The surface with its blue sky, warm sunlight, and fresh wind seems far, far away. Down we go. A mile down. 5 Empire State Buildings, one on top of the other, could fit in the water over our heads. It's darker here than the darkest of night. But everywhere we look, lights glitter and flash. They come, they go, back and forth, up and down. The fish swimming past have spots of light on their bodies, on their heads, and under their mouths. Look at all the light. All that mile of water above us presses against these fish. Their soft, loose bodies can take this enormous pressure. In fact, they can't do without it. If they should chase another fish too far up, where the pressure is less, they would blow up to pieces. Oh no. Most of the fish down here have big mouths and many large, sharp teeth. Some of them, like the black swallower, have stomachs that can stretch enough to hold fish much bigger than themselves. Oh, look at how big his belly is. These fish of the deepest water are strange creatures. If we traveled all over the world at the bottom of the sea, we would find the same black, dark, freezing cold, heavy, pressing water. At the North Pole, or at the equator, or at the South Pole, we would find the same kind of deep fish waters. And we would find the same kind of deep sea fish. How different the deep sea fish are from the ones that live near the top of the water. Each part of the sea is different, sunny or dark, warm or freezing, with heavy pressure or very little. And in each part live different kinds of animals. The halibut that finds its food on the bottom would starve to death at the top of the water. The flying fish would not last down in the dark, cold depths. The deep sea fish explode if they go too far upward. And of course, you'll never find a whale living on the beach like a crab. Each animal has a place in the sea where it can live best. Once more we see through the sea, but this time the picture is not empty. It is full of animals and plants we have seen in the sea, where it is shallow, deep, and deepest. See? Shallow, deep, and deepest. Shows all the different kinds of animals that live. The end. Did you like it, sweetheart? Have a great day.